For nearly 85 years, Flowmatic Valves has earned a reputation for high-quality valves built to last. We have expanded to manufacturing a broad range of valves with a wide selection of body materials, temperatures, and pressure ranges for uses in a variety of industries, from water to wastewater and industrial pumping applications. Flowmatic is dedicated solely to the design and manufacturing of high-quality, American-made valves. We have become internationally recognized for our quality, performance, innovation, and cost efficiency. And we continue to build our foundation for success on service to each customer. The team at Flowmatic operates under a philosophy of continuous improvement, stepping back from what we do to ask, is there a better way? We are always asking how to make Flowmatic valves even better. Using the latest technology, we can design and manufacture valves for many applications. It can be assured that all our valves are rugged, efficient, and built to perform exactly to your specifications. Flowmatic manufactures a complete line of valves, from 1/4 inch to 36-inch sizes, with a variety of connections. We design a broad range of valves, like check valves, foot valves, control valves, gate valves, butterfly valves, air valves, and submersible pump check valves. Utilizing an extensive base of materials allows us to provide our customers a valve with long-lasting, optimal performance, even in the toughest environments. In addition to our wide variety of valves, Flowmatic also manufactures custom valves for OEM applications. We make valves for customers' specs utilizing the same manufacturing and quality testing found in our standard valves. Flowmatic uses its innovative design approach and engineering experience to solve problems in a customer-specific application. Each valve is evaluated thoroughly, starting with the design process, continuing with manufacturing, assembly, and finally as your order is packed and shipped. Before shipping our valve products, inspection and testing are key elements of our quality control system. Flowmatic valves are 100% tested under pressure to verify performance, durability, structural integrity, and flow capacity. Our standards are high, and the results are well documented. Flowmatic is the only U.S. valve manufacturer that is certified to both ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 quality management system, and we comply with many different standards found in the water and wastewater industries. This assures a meticulous program of inspection which guarantees you a superior product that will exceed your performance expectations, saving you time and money. Building strategic partnerships with our customers is how we do business. Our clients' requests are addressed immediately by providing design, research, and cost savings techniques. Flowmatic stocks a wide variety of valve models and components, which enables us to assemble your order and typically ship within 48 hours. We have built our foundation on serving each customer, and that is reflected in many of our long-term partnerships. We have served the demands of some of the most prestigious companies in the world, delivering dependable valve products. Our clients' orders are filled on time with the assurance of peak performance. If you need a high-quality valve built to last or have special requirements, contact Flowmatic first. You will find innovation and service beyond your expectations. We guarantee the best, quality-tested, American-made valve product. Today, you can find Flowmatic valves working daily in water and wastewater systems from coast to coast, in the countryside to New York City, Boston, Orlando, and Los Angeles. In addition, our valves are exported to over 40 countries. Our valves are also used in small domestic well water systems, as well as high-performance applications, from refueling spacecrafts, drill rigs in the Gulf of Mexico, and to some of the largest geothermal systems in the country. Some of our valves are installed in critical applications with low pressures all the way up to 4,300 psi, with a wide operating temperature from cold to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Flowmatic has developed a business culture for over 8 decades. that is passionate about addressing and serving the customer's needs for high-quality valves built to last. When your reputation is at stake, Flowmatic is the best choice. Our valve products make your products work much better. Flowmatic Valves.